Good day everyone. Pag-uusapan natin ang aking pangarap at kung paano ito aabutin. At ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Tara na! Dreams give our life direction. They inspire us to work hard, push through challenges, and become the best version of ourselves. Since I was young, I have always dreamed of becoming a seafarer. The vast ocean, the adventure of traveling to different places, and the responsibility of navigating a ship excite me. But dreams do not come true overnight. They require dedication, perseverance, and a strong will to succeed. Chasing dreams is not easy. There will be obstacles, doubt, and failure along the way. People might say, that's too hard or you won't make it. But the most important thing is to believe in yourself. As a future seafarer, I know I will face long months away from home, to training and challenges at sea. However, these struggles will only make me stronger. Every great achievement starts with a dream, followed by hard work and determination. Education and preparation are key to success. That is why I am committed to learning, improving my skills, and gaining knowledge about the maritime industry. Every subject I study, every lesson I learn, and every effort I put in today will bring me closer to my dream. I remind myself that success is not just about reaching my goal but about growing and becoming better along the way. Dreams are meant to be chased, no matter how difficult the journey may be. If we work hard, stay dedicated, and never give up, we can achieve anything. I believe that one day I will step into a ship as a proud seafarer, ready to explore the world. And if you have a dream, no matter what it is, go after it with all your heart. The journey may be tough, but in the end, it will be worth it. At dito na nagtatapos ang ating video at sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you for listening.